Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix camera not working iPhone or iPad after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this problem? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video, so do not miss any steps of fix this issue. So first of all, you have close camera app from app switcher iPhone screen. Double tap on home button to see the multitasking screen. Sweep of your finger on the app to close it completely. So for example, you have used the camera app is not working, then you have double tap of home button, and then you have close from completely camera app, then all apps, then is the background working on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have restored a robot iPhone to get rid of iPhone camera not working. Simple robot or force restart iPhone. So you have volume up button and then volume down button. Press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem 5 to 10 seconds fade and then your problem will be fixed. If the third solution, you have check new iOS update. So you have again open the setting and then click on general and software update and check iOS latest version on iPhone available. Then you have update that iOS version, and then other solution, you have reset iPhone setting. Then again open the setting and click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer and reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, do not lose any data from iPhone, only reset setting. Then you have enable flashlight and dark area, then you have used the iPhone, then flashlight is turned on, then you have is uh, enable from dark area, then you will use camera app, then your problem will be fixed and then automatically is turned on your iPhone, then dark area will be used and then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.